Well, information will be as a talk and I was a blogger, particularly me, Nana Yaw Amponsah, a former Kotoko CEO, into a blogger, we are on the Petrocub, officially on the Petrocub, a Juma Nibium. Petrocub say Omuneni Nya Juma Bium. Nana Yaw Amponsah the statement about bonds. He say, Bobeka say a sack, and I say, Jobe Canibiano. A Juma no omuntimi ento aso Petrocub say direction and Nana Yaw Amponsah at the club and air corner. Enye saa and omunhyehyeye etie, and we are told say a misunderstanding kese pa epai between the board directors of Petrocub no and then Nana Yaw Amponsah consortium no regarding issues ye kan ho asem. Nana Yaw Amponsah enso other end no or the statement about bonte ono so ni statement no cheche mu say club no e breachi nyoma bi o ma ye breaches with regarding to activities be a club na ya legally it is not accepted, and as consortium ono Nana Yaw Amponsah no ontena ho man consortium no anim entwitwi form enti ono so ebetwe no ho so we can we na we can we, but the bottom line is say no mumi enu nyina no age atum say omuntimi enya adwuma biom omuntimi entoa so na chese wo say omode ayonkofa no eba awie Nana Amponsah after Kumasi Asante Kotoko obekai say and the 2 months cry and call the Eastern European country Moldova and or the proposal call ya okonya adwuma ye frɛ no Petrocub adwuma okoje club ne rane under ono ne consortium ye frɛ mo good Samaritan investment and omokoje Nana Yaw Amponsah statement or the mine ma men kan kakra emma ansana the Petrocub for so canon media bro say after a successful 6-month partnership with SC Petrocub, during which we achieved unprecedented historic double by winning both the Super Cup and the Moldovan Cup, Samaritan Investment has decided to disassociate himself from the administration of the club. Also, the decision was made due to the discovery of unusual activities within the club and a mismatched vision regarding the future of the sporting club. Or say, as a reputable consortium with a proven record of a success, we take these matters seriously and have entrusted our legal team to investigate and pursue the uncovered irregularities to the legal and the ethical conclusion. We state unequivocally that we met all conditions under the agreement and will be revealed with time despite the numerous breaches and violations by our partners. Yes, we appreciate the achievement made during our partnership and wish the club success in its future endeavors. That is Nana Yaw Amponsah accuse the club, say club no engage on irregularities and nyoma bebree on the club no entimi ento aso biom. And we are told to say there was a very misunderstanding between club no and the Nana Yaw Amponsah consortium no over the direction of the club, particularly club nature say club no direction and Nana Yaw Amponsah person or the club ne kono enye saa na omoji tu mu and Nana Yaw Amponsah so different things say club no breach nyoma bi a as a consortium no so entena ho ma bibi science nti o say moyo nkofa no eba awie nti club no decide say omumi enu nyina no omujo omo ho kwan. So the bottom line is Nana Yaw Amponsah is no more the club president of Petrocub ewo Moldova. Nchechemu kakra yensa aka no players omototo nyina ya tesen ya roast omu nyina off due to development.